He's not even moving.
Yeah, you just go film where you film the boat. Run, see it? Electric ticket.
But we're still past him. We're in the front of him, not like behind him. Oh, I got an itch on my back. Where?
Yeah, it looks like it's behind these other ones now. I'm just gonna let it out a little bit and then crank on it to see how heavy it is. I'm trying to get to, that's the word we're looking for.
Riled up.
Riled up. Well, rile up on a fish because we got one.
Oh, we did? I'll turn it on. Oh, it is. Hey, it's going already.
What?
It's been going for like a minute. I didn't even touch it, but it's fine. It's fine.
Commentary, I can get rid of it.
It was already going. It was already going. It was already ready. It was probably when you said, "Oh, there might be a fish on there," and I didn't even know. It just turned on.
Keywords to turn it on.
Oh.
It has the voice activation.
What about turned off? Can you like accidentally say something? I don't even know if it's.
Hey, you want to reel it?
Yeah.
Since you're out here today and you're the top dog, you're the MVP for the day.
MVP.
Alicia's the MVP for the day. You already caught a hog. Now she's fixing to bring in a nice keeper right here. I knew that one definitely got hit.
Under the water.
Don't reel hard, just leave it. Come out. Once it comes out, then reel it.
Oof.
Just wait, it'll come out.
Under the water, under the sea.
Once it comes out,
oof.
Keep it up. Take it out. Bring it ahead of you.
Oof. It's not even pulling that hard. It's like coming in with me.
In case you don't have one, don't flick it out of the water. Keep it over to the side, out of everybody's face. Bring it right here.
It's not pulling that hard. I don't know if it's like small.
In case I made a mistake, it's the lure, but I think it's the fish.
Oh, it's pulling now.
Oh, well, I bring it this way a little bit.
It like didn't have any fight to it. It didn't have any fight to
it's
it.
a little guy.
It's like fine with being caught.
This is probably close to being a keeper, but so that was hit at 50 back. 50 back. Where's the players?
Right there.
Oh, I got his eyeball.
Oh.
Got him right behind the eyeball.
Oh no.
May have salvaged his side. Are there any boats in front of us?
Oh.
Are there any boats in front of us, is there?
No. No boats.
Oh, come on. Are you an idiot or something?
I'm trying to get it out of your eye.
I don't think that's a keeper.
No? Too small?
We'll see. Actually,
Is it?
it is 17, 15. We'll keep it. Just because of the fact of his eyeball.
Put it out of its misery?
If they're 18, then really I want to just keep him at 18s. Because there's plenty of big fish out here.
Oh, we got our second fish.
Well, 50 back on that. I gotta move these lures.
We can
I can't keep getting
stop.
hooked in the net.
Stop the video.
Check
What'd you
and
like to
see-
say after the second fish?
Check and see if it's still rolling.
What'd you like to say? It's still warm. What'd you like to say after the second
We
fish?
don't have a lot of battery life left in that. Oh yeah, we got 4 batteries today.
Say something. Say something for a camera.
Something for the camera.
You're the worst person to interview. Okay, I'll turn it off.
Big fish all day. Big fish.
There, it's recording.
Showing you recording?
Yeah.
The big one.
Big one.
Real heavy one. Real heavy fish.
Oh gosh, this might be a Fish Ohio.
I think so. It's really, really heavy.
And I'm the one that saw it too. I spotted it.
I'm gonna mark this spot. We got a bunch of big walleye right here. And that got hit at 100 back. Think we're gonna move our stuff to 100 back, you think?
Oof. Ooh, yeah. Right after we pull this in. Ooh.
Where do we go? Oh, where do we go now? I say we stay right here on these big fish.
Yeah, right on the edge too.
Let's not go anywhere. Yeah, we're right on the edge of this. I told you on the transition line, that drop line right there.
It's heavy.
See him back there?
It's heavy,
You see him on
yeah.
the surface?
It's heavy.
Look at him breaking the water back there.
Yeah.
Huge.
Dude, it's so heavy. Oh my gosh. Oh, under the water.
Oh, that's gonna make it even harder.
Oh my god.
Just let it come out. Don't horse it. Just
Come
let it come out.
on. It's not coming up.
It will. There it is. That's a big one, buddy. Big one.
Oof.
Yeah. Girl.
Midge.
Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl.
Oh my god. It's under the water. Under the water.
Don't lose this fish now.
Oh. No, get out of the water.
Don't pull hard now. Just let it come
Oh
out.
my god.
Does that, just hold on. Just hold it. Do not muscle that, break that off. Because that's new line there. Just, let's not break it off.
Oh
Hold
my
it up high.
god.
Hold it up high when it comes out. Hold it up high. Up high. Now reel. Slow, reel. It ain't gonna come down in the water no more.
Oh, that fish flew out of the water.
We didn't lose it. Thank
No.
God. Big one. It's a big one. Get it there close and then start feeding it behind you. Like a monster, dude. Look how tight that line is.
Policy. Remember, call Big Lou. He's like you, except he's only on
Oh, that fish.
800-230-2777. That's 800-230.
And now it's getting that fish and fat.
Ah,
Term life insurance that you can call Big Lou.
he likes to go up on the surface.
Oh, wow.
'Come on, swim with me, not against me.
These foul hooks, I don't know.
It's swimming with me now. Oh my gosh. It's coming in easy.
Nice and easy. It's a walleye. Thank you.
It's swimming with me. Do you see that? It's swimming with me.
Nice and steady. Never get close. Oh, no big fish.
That's small. It has a good fight though.
Because it was hooked sideways.
It was fighting me the whole time.
Because it was hooked in its side like that, dragging the water.
We thought it was a Fish Ohio. That's so small.
You're always looking for ways to position your operation to create opportunities.
Not even a keeper, I don't think.
Bank of America, you get access to experts, award-winning insights, and business solutions so powerful.
I don't think
Hooked
that's.
in its side.
I don't think that's a keeper.
I don't think so either.
/banking for business to learn more. What would you like the number to do?
It's not even 12, it's probably 13, 14. It's right at a 15, I mean, it's barely.
You can. Do you want to?
Nah. Let's just keep bigger ones, we'll be alright. We got plenty of walleye, it's just fun to catch either way. Alright, let's send it back to 100.
What do you want to say? Say something for the camera.
We're catching walleye. That's what we're here for.
Just so we don't miss anything.
Well, we'll just reel first and then we'll see.
I started it, it's fine.
Okay, well, let it out farther. You don't want to run into that first one. Let it go on its own. Don't let pressure out. Just let it go slow. You want to like control it out slowly. You can put your finger down here so you don't run it into the middle there. Start reeling it. A little heavier now.
It's kind of light.
Let's reel it up a little bit. Let's see it runs. Stick it back in the harvest.
Okay, video's rolling. Video's rolling.
Oh, great. My trolling motor stopped working. Hold this, quick. Hold it, quick.
Fish is gonna have to wait. We're out of steering.
Trying not to knock all the lures off the deck of the boat. I know I've seen a fish back there.
Hopefully it's still there.
Hopefully with all the turning and stuff we do.
I don't know. Maybe it's a super small one.
It's got a snap weight on it.
I don't really know. Doesn't feel like just a lure. There's a little tug.
Was I seeing the snap weight?
Is this small?
Was I seeing the snap weight instead?
Is that not it?
No, the fish is there.
Oh. That's super small then, because it had no tug at all.
I think it's a sheephead.
Is that a sheephead?
I think so. Maybe not. What is that? How is that?
What is that?
Here, reel it slow.
It's a bass?
White bass. Saw him right in his eyeball. Right through his eye. Then we barely missed his eyeball.
We weren't really going for bass.
No. Looks like it's okay.
We've caught everything we don't want to catch.
Yeah, even lures. I guess I should have put them away. This fish.
Okay, I got it.
Really don't lose this fish.
Okay, I got it.
Slow reel there.
I got it. I got this.
We need that fish.
Okay, I got this. If I lose this fish, I'm gonna cry.
Yeah, because we need that one to make it grow.
Okay, I got this. I'm doing great. I got this. Ooh. I got this. Oh. got this.
That is a very, very, very...
I have to hype myself up.
Is the number still going on the counter? What you need to do is tighten that just a little. Numbers ain't working on the counter. Damn it, I don't even know what to set that at. What I had that set at.
They're working. Numbers are working.
It's not counting down.
Yeah, it is.
Is it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it was 120 back. That's what that one was set at.
Ooh.
100 back.
Oh.
100 back. That was set at 100.
Oh. Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Ow.
Keep it up in the air and it won't...
This physically hurts me.
Keep it up and it won't stick it. Because that fish is spinning, but it's a very large fish.
Oh my god, it's popping out of the water.
I think it's a sheep that's spinning. It's up sideways.
It's spinning! Why is it spinning like that? I feel so bad for
It's
it.
hooked in the side.
Oh no. That's why it's so hard to get, because it's stuck in the side.
Yeah, it's just pulling water like another one was. A little baby.
It still hurts. It hurts my hand. I have to grip that hard.
Very large fish. I have to reel this out through. Hold it, hold it.
Oh, I feel so bad for that fish spinning.
I feel so bad for me trying to put all these lures there. Hold it up. Make it in here. Fortunately, it's a walleye. Fortunately, it's a feature. Well, I see it's a brown tail, but I might be mistaken. I don't know. It's either a sheephead or a catfish.
Might be a catfish. How fat it is. We're getting everything we don't want. Like, we want a walleye.
I don't understand why we're getting all these junk. It might be a walleye.
Oh my god, it's so heavy.
Yeah, it looks like a catfish here. Oh no.
Ew, I swear. Ow.
Alright, go down. Bring it in down. Sheephead. Careful. It went after the green. Went after your lure.
That hurts.
Okay, it wasn't huge, but
That still hurts.
probably not gonna want to open his mouth up either. Fucker, knock it off. I'm trying to get it out of you. Hooked hard. Trying to hook me. Stop and I'll get it out of you. Bye.
Dang.
Okay. Yeah, YouTube, we made it back from the Lake Erie, and this is the fish that we came up with today. 2 fish, nice big walleye and a smaller one. And then we got Alicia here. She's the MVP for the day. She caught all them big fish.
Yep.
We had some throwbacks too, some walleyes, some smaller ones we threw back. One was actually a keeper. I should have probably kept it, but it was pretty small. And then we got what did we catch?
We caught a sheephead and a white bass.
Nice. So, did you have fun today?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So what are we gonna do now?
We're gonna cut the fish up.
We're gonna cut them up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.